Hello and welcome to Will It Microwave. I'm your clippy host, Project Panther. Today we're going to microwave 7 paper clips in honor of the Paperclip Man and Windows 7. Because the Paperclip Man is no longer on Windows, which sucks. So it spread them out pretty good. I think they're going to spark, so let's put it in there for 10 seconds. I know that's short, right? But I don't think it's going to take that long. And go. Whoa, God. Only 5 seconds left, so... Wow, that's red hot. Okay, it's done. Oh, smoky. Oh my gosh. It like fused. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's incredible. So, I guess the question now is, will Paperclips microwave? I know it's a short microwave, but yes, they will, because I didn't want George broken. So yes, they microwave, I guess. So, in the pile of microwave stuff, these paper clips will go. See you next time.